everyone. In this video, we will show you or talk about the most popular series of sublimation blanks, which is photo slate. Yeah, we call it photo slate, and then you got it. Yes, this blanks is mostly used for photo printing. As you can see here, the printed blanks. Yeah, it has two different types of coating: glossy one and matte finish one. I don't know whether you can see the difference. This is glossy, this is matte. Initially, the matte finish coating was popular, but after, I think since 3 to 4 years ago, then we got the glossy coating ready, and it looks nicer. So that's why most users or crafters would like the glossy finish at the moment. Okay, and I'd like to introduce you about more for our photo slate. Firstly, we have 3 layers of coating for all the slate that we are carrying on, and so that's why you can see that it's a little bit heavy, because today I'll do the demo for the larger size, because larger size always harder to print. And so you can see that the coating is really even, glossy, shiny. Yeah, this is the difference between our slate and maybe someone others. Yeah, so the more layer of the coating it is, then the more wider of the surface, and more wider the surface is, after that the printing will be looks nicer. Okay, and our quality standard for all the photo slate is like that. Even especially for this bigger size, it is hardly to avoid any pinholes, or not pinholes, like black dots during production. So our quality standard is that for all the slate, the black dots will be within 5 or within 3 on the entire printing surface, and it will not be looks like really big. Okay, so first let me clean it like this one. Okay, you can see. I don't know whether you can see it very clearly. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see in the whole surface here has a small black dot. Yeah, but it's not that obviously. So for this, we can call it is still pass our QC. Okay, so this is what I would like to share with you and talk about our photo slate. And next, let us move into the printing demo. Okay, let us do the printing demo. Okay, first you need to have a cleaning cloth, printed paper, blanks, heat-resistant tape. So the first step is that, heat glove to protect yourself. The first step is you need to use this clean cloth. We have it. If you need it, please contact ourselves to clean the surface. This is not the ordinary tissue. It is a cleaning cloth fabric. So, but it's as cheap as tissues, I think, or a little bit more expensive than tissues. But you need it because it's important that you make the printing surface clean, and it can be used for, I think, many times. Yeah. Okay, and after cleaning, then we need to put the printed paper onto the blanks, because this is a square sheet, so it doesn't matter about the direction. Because it's the same. You just make sure that it is located well. Yeah, means that all the edges of the printed area be covered with paper. So a tip is that you can see this paper, we've been pre-cut it. So no white border. Okay, here has a little bit white border, but we suggest you to cut all the white border. Then that will help you to locate the image onto the blanks more easier, and also make sure that your image is centralized. Okay. It's a little bit border, but I think it's okay. I just need to make sure that white border is out of the printing area. That's it. Okay, and use heat tape to tape it. So usually I will move it. I will move it out of the table a little bit and tape it in this way. Yeah, this is move it out of the table. That will be more easier for you to tape it. Yeah, usually I do it in this way. Okay, and another edge. Yeah. You know, when I'm doing printing, I always use as less as heat tape as it could be. Yeah. So just one at each side will be good enough, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's not like you are saving money for using less tapes. It's, you know, sort of, but most importantly, I think it's for kind of eco-friendly, you know, because this tape is not friendly for our environment. Okay, we're done. So one of each. Here I took two, I don't know why. Yeah, but one of each is good enough. Okay, now we're ready to do the printing. Okay, let's move into the printing demo. Today we're going to use our Prisma Auto heat press, which is the most sellable heat presses among our Galaxy press. Okay, and before you're going to do the printing, the most important thing is that you need to make sure that the pressure is good enough. So actually, normally you need to do the pressure adjustment before hitting the heat press. Yeah, because today we did not do it, and now we were going to do it. So here is the tips. That when you do the pressure adjustment, you always need to make sure that the printing side is facing down. Facing down, that is to protect your printing area to be looks nicer, you know, do not be ruined during your adjust your pressure. Okay, and now let's do the pressure adjusting. And let's see. So for slate, you always need medium pressure. You can see this is too high. And for our, if you have our Prisma Auto heat presses, then you can set the pressure from 5 to 7. It will be good enough. Okay, now the pressure is good enough, and I need to use my heat glove because it's heat. Because today I'm adjusting the pressure after machine be heated up. So usually you do the pressure adjusting before hitting the pattern. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good enough, and let us to do the printing demo. And the printing parameter is 180 degrees Celsius, which is 360 degrees Fahrenheit at 210 seconds, which is 3.5 minutes. Okay, let us wait for a few minutes and we will see. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, get the Teflon sheet out and get the heat-resistant tape out. Let's see, yeah, looks really, really nice. Oh. It's really hot, so you need to, so the printed paper, it looks, yeah. And this side, I think, see, it's really shiny. In every corner, it prints well. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any ideas or any questions or any suggestions, please do not hesitate to leave the message below. We're always waiting to listen. Thank you.